Is the Lumar record player. I had to buy these needles separately, but they're quite hard to find, and it's actually a very good condition tin, so that was a Brucey bonus. So what happens is you put the key in here, says me, I'll just try and get that in there, and you give it a little wind. If I have to hold that with one hand, and oh, actually it's not winded. That's rather interesting. Hang about, Ski. I think it wasn't winding because I'd already wound it. So you start it by pushing this lever down like that. I think it's wound itself down, hasn't it? It most certainly has. Hang on. And so here we are now. That particular, this 78 comes from that book that I've just shown you. That was bought some time ago. And this record is an American record, Three Little Kittens. So let's put that on there, see if this will work. And then, is it going to work? That was silly of me. I wondered if it was variable speed. Okay. Blimey. It would be okay. Well, it's very old, so anyway. But it's just the novelty of it. And if we look down there, it does say wind. Oh, it does say wind counterclockwise through the hole in the turntable. Needs a bit of a clean, but yeah, it's a nice little addition to my collection.